Now this is just pure stupidity. This is a gnarly drift around the entire track. As the caption says, this is basically what happens when you have 5 stars in GTA. Now this is one fancy way to park. This truck driver is having a very hard time. I'll be honest, this is a good place to hide things. This JDM car basically said, screw that Lamborghini. Yep, that's basically how you drift. That was a very clean drift around the corner. This RC car is honestly just built different. I'm sure this Porsche owner did not exactly enjoy that happening.
Oh, no!
Hey. Hey, what do you do for a living?
Huh? Man, I do what the fuck I want.
Yeah, I think Chris Brown definitely knows how to pick cars really well. It's a little hard to tell, but is this one real or is it fake?
Supra. It's a Toyota Sienna!
Bet with an icy street like that, you could probably do insane drifts. These two beautiful cars were side by side with each other. This dude was absolutely insane. It's basically GTA in real life. He stole this police cop car.
I'm in the cop. Bro, what the fuck?
This just seems like a really good place to just drift it out. I'm not too sure why this guy decided to do this, but at least he'll keep cars away from him. This stuff looks absolutely insane. I've honestly never seen anything like this before. This little car packs a lot of punch. Quite the first-person view of this insane drifting. Now this F40 is a beauty beyond any belief. At this point, this RX-7's exhaust isn't even an exhaust, it's basically a flamethrower. Again, one of the many advantages to having a very low riding car. Now this right here, this is how you wash your car. Not too sure how this truck was on its side, but these guys really saved the day. The burnout smoke from these cars is astounding. This Ferrari Enzo is insanely beautiful. Now, if I didn't know anybody, I think this monkey has a better life than me. If I didn't know any better, I'm pretty sure that sound alone just broke the mic. I'm not too exactly sure what this guy was thinking, but it ended pretty bad for him.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Now, I don't know if it's just me, but this doesn't seem like a real, actual car.
Так, ребята, ну что? Сайбертрак, российский. Обзор уже на ютубе, ссылочка в профиле.
This GTR is on another level. This was a very close race. This guy got an insanely high speeding ticket.
A few minutes later.
This is a pretty sick burnout. These cars are drifting super hard. Now this is just unfair. Just a tiny crash. Honestly, I don't even know what to say to this one. I just feel really bad for the owner. Hey, this was her first burnout attempt and she did pretty good. Now, if this isn't a beautiful car, I don't know what is. Have you ever wanted to know how to make a Honda fast? Well, this is definitely the way to do it. Honestly, this car definitely might have been a little bit too loud. He saw the motorcycles were showing off, so he had to give it right back to him. When you pair a tall person in a small car, it doesn't exactly work well. This GTR took off like a rocket. This is definitely one way to try to get away from cops.